Want your iPhone screen orientation to stay locked all the time but unlock automatically only inside YouTube? Let me show you how. This trick keeps rotation lock always on but turns it off only when you open a specific app on your iPhone. This is perfect because your screen never rotates by accident. YouTube and video apps can rotate freely. Everything works automatically without touching Control Center. First, make sure rotation lock is on from Control Center. Now follow these steps. Open the Shortcuts app, tap Automation at the bottom. Now tap the plus icon in the top right and tap Create Personal Automation from the list. Scroll down and tap App. Tap Choose and select YouTube here and tap Done. Make sure is opened is selected. Turn on Run Immediately, then tap Next. Tap Create New Shortcut. Now in Search Actions, type Orientation or Set Orientation. Tap Set Orientation Lock. Change Toggle to 10, set it to Off. Tap Done. Now let's make it lock the screen again when you leave YouTube. Now tap the plus icon again, tap Create Personal Automation, choose the app, select YouTube, then tap Done. Select is closed. Keep is opened, deselected, turn on Run Immediately again, then tap Next, tap Create New Shortcut. Now search for Set Orientation again and tap Set Orientation Lock, change toggle to turn, keep it set to on, tap Done. Now your iPhone stays locked in portrait all the time. When you open YouTube, rotation lock turns off automatically, and when you leave YouTube, it turns back on by itself. This saves time and makes videos way easier to watch. Like and subscribe for more iPhone tricks.